here which is continuous time, which is discrete time, like that. Okay, which is continuous time and which is discrete time, like that. So if n variable or frequency variable is there, I will take this as x of omega. Okay, I will take this as x of omega equal to e power minus omega square. X of omega equal to e power minus omega square. So first of all, I have some basic details. After that, we will go to the problems. Stable, unstable means, okay, bounded input, bounded output. This is bounded input gives rise to bounded output. Then it is called stable system. Okay, bounded input gives rise to bounded output. Then the system is called stable system. If this BIBO is not followed, then it is unstable system. And this is in simple. It can be also explained as at t approaches infinite. Okay, signal value equal to finite. Then it is called stable system. Okay, at t approaches infinite, if signal value is infinity, then it is unstable system. Okay, if signal value is infinity, then it is unstable system. And here I have three problems in this slide. You can see the exponential. Thing. Okay, and here I will go with the second question first. E power 2t means increasing exponential. So like this, x-axis, y-axis I have drawn. E power 2t. At t equal to 0, the cutting point is 1. If you put t equal to 0, e power 0 value is 1. Okay, so the cutting point on y-axis will be 1. Okay, and this is e power 2t diagram. I have to multiply this with the u of t minus 1. U of t minus 1 means this is the diagram. X-axis, y-axis. U of t minus 1 means right shift 1 unit, height is 1. Right shift 1 unit. Okay, height is 1. Step signal. When you multiply both of this, okay, resultant signal will be, it will be from 1. Okay, it will be from 1. And from here, it will be increasing exponential. From 1. Because for the other places, second signal is 0. 0 into anything is 0. Other places, second signal is 0. Only after one signal is existing. So you are going to multiply the second signal with the first signal. After 1, it comes out successfully. But before 1, everything is 0. This is the diagram for e power 2t, u of t minus 1. Okay. Now you check at t approaches infinite. Okay. Signal value is infinity. Okay, positive. This is the time t. This diagram is for h of t. Okay. And here if you see, this diagram is for h of t, and at t approaches infinite means at infinity time. Okay, positive side. At t approaches infinite, signal is going on increasing, which means height of the signal is infinity. So at t approaches infinite, signal amplitude is infinity. So system is unstable system. Okay, I will go with the next question. So here, e power minus 2t, this is decreasing exponential. E power minus means decreasing exponential. This is the diagram for e power minus 2t. X-axis, y-axis I have drawn. X-axis, y-axis origin I have drawn. E power minus 2t means it is decreasing exponential. When you put t equal to 0, okay, e power 0 value is 1. So the cutting point will be 1. Okay, when you put t equal to 0, e power 0 value is 1. Okay, so the cutting point at x-axis t, x-axis t. So at t equal to 0, the value will be 1. This is the diagram for e power minus 2t. U of t minus 1. Means right shift 1 unit, the step signal, and it will become u of t minus 1. We are going to multiply these two. Okay, second signal left side of my plus 1, everything is 0. So 0 into anything is 0. And hence final signal h of t will come. Final signal h of t will come. Okay, after 1. After 1, and it is a decreasing exponential. 1 into anything is the same exponential signal. This height, maximum height need not be 1 because 1 into anything at 1 unit, what is the height of the exponential? What is the height of the exponential? That will be maintained here. That will be maintained here. Okay. Second signal height is 1. But the h of t height need not be 1 because whatever height of the decreasing exponential, that height will come here. But it will start decreasing here because the height of second signal is 1. 1 into anything is that same e power minus 2t. That fashion itself will come. Decreasing fashion itself will come for the final h of t diagram. Final h of t diagram. Now if you check here at t approaches infinite, signal value is finite. Signal value is finite. It is not infinity value, it is decreasing. It is decreasing, finite value. Okay, increasing means it may go to infinity value. Decreasing means it is reaching zero value. It is reaching zero value at somewhere infinite time. At somewhere infinite time, it is reaching zero value. This is called BIBO stable, bounded input, bounded output. Okay, this is called BIBO stable, bounded input, bounded output. Now, the first diagram, if you see the first diagram, it is discrete time. Okay, it is discrete time. First question is discrete time system, n or omega. Second question is continuous time system, t is present, so continuous time. Okay. Third one is also continuous time system, t is present. Now I am coming to first question. X of omega equal to e power minus omega square. Minus means decreasing exponential. Minus means decreasing exponential. Okay. So it is something like this. Omega square is there. This is x of omega 0. Okay. This is omega. And the cutting point, if you put omega as 0, cutting point is 1. If you put omega value 0, okay, the diagram is something like this. It will have pillars. Why I am drawing dotted lines? This is the discrete time representation. Here also if you see, at omega approaches infinite, signal value is finite. So we can conclude the system is BIBO stable. BIBO stable system. Okay. This is about some problems in stability. Bounded input, bounded output.